Hi you guys, welcome to Fun with Charlene. Today I am going to be doing a review on the Insmart magnetic eyelashes. I have these eyelashes. It comes 10. This one comes with 10. You can get some with 8 and you can get some with I think 3 or 4. But I bought these. It's 10 in a pack. You get 2 of the magnetic eyeliners and you get the tweezer things to get the eyelashes out with. And this, I purchased this for $13.99. If you get it now, I think it's for $11.89 off of Amazon. So today we're going to go ahead and try this, and I'll show you guys how easy it is, how it works, and how much I love it. So you take this eyeliner, which I've already put on my eyes here. I've already put it on because it takes a moment to dry. And so then we've already chose our eyelashes. We're going to pick these. These eyelashes are magnificent. They come with 5 magnets to make sure they grip a hold of that eyeliner. Perfect. Just put it on the eyeliner and it adheres to that. I use my fingers. I don't use that thing. The tweezer thing. Because I can't see worth a nickel, so I'm sure you guys can do it much better than I do. But there's one. And the other one, let's see. I'm going to put it on. And they just go on, so, look, you see that? But it goes on nice and easy. It holds on, it adheres to that little, to the liner. This liner here, I guess it has a magnetic type filler in it. Hope it don't make me cross-eyed. But anyway, I have them on, and I'm not an eyelash wearer, so if I don't do it right, forgive me, but guess what? I do like these. See, up close, up close, up close. I mean, I'm not the best eyelash wearer, fake eyelash wearer in the world, so forgive me. But I am going to tell you guys one thing. I do like these because I can wear these all day. They don't come off. This stuff, this liner, it's really, really good. And the thing about it, if you run out, you can always order it again on Amazon. What did I say? I paid $13.99 for it, but I looked today and it was on sale for $11.89 if you ship it today or something. But this is a great eyelash, fake eyelashes for me, because I don't know how to put them on, you know, unless they do come with a magnet, because I have them all over the place. And I should probably cut these because I think they're a little long for my eyes. But, I mean, they don't look too bad, do they? This part is sticking up. Let's see if I can fix it. It's probably because I didn't put the liner down there. But once you put that liner on there, that's what it sticks to. So wherever you put the liner, and you can take them off. Look, you can take them off easily. And you can put them back on. You see? Not bad, huh? Just have to make sure it's really dry. This may not be as dry as I wanted it, but I like them. And so my review for these are a 2 thumbs up. I give them a 2 thumbs up because, like I say, I don't normally wear fake eyelashes because I don't know how to put them on. But with these, they just, you know, I like them. Work for me. And I'll even show you a little demonstration where I put them on the refrigerator and kept them on there overnight. The magnets work. These are the lashes on the refrigerator. I left them on there overnight. They actually stuck. And this eyeliner, it works. Like I say, you get 10 pairs, so you choose your eyelash. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me do this little review. I hope it helps you to choose if you would like to buy these Insmart magnetic eyelashes. Alright, you guys take care. Love you. Mwah.